Okay, y'all, don't come for me. I'm doing bagged mashed potatoes. As much as I have to make them around here, I don't always do homemade. But I doctor them up, and they're pretty darn good. Of course, they're not as good as homemade, but it works. My kids like it. So, let's get this stirred up. Let me show you what I add to it. I'm gonna have to get my, I've got to find my whisk thing. A little bit of whipping cream. I still gotta get them chunks out too. So, doctoring up. I do whipping cream, mayonnaise, a little bit of sour cream and butter. That's it. Chunks out. Okay, here's the butter. Might as well put it all in. More butter the better. Okay, now the sour cream. And we'll mix it all. I'll get you some cheese in a minute. And that's it. Mix it real good. They are a little bit more white because of all that you put in it. But there you have it. Doctored, bagged mashed potatoes.